someone suggested I do a bead stash video, and I'm like, you know what, that's actually a really good idea. So basically I'm just gonna show you all the beads that I have right now, which is way too many at the actually, you know what, you can never have too many beads. So let's start off with the most obvious ones. I have like these jewelry packs. I got 2 of these from Hobby Lobby. I have this little seed bead pack right here. Then I have these 2 big seed packs. This one was from Hobby Lobby. This one actually a coworker, former coworker gave me this. How sweet was that? Because she knew that I did beads, so she gave me this. I thought that was really sweet. So I have those. I have these, which is from my Temu haul. I have these are all the beads I have on my Temu haul. I'm sorry if this isn't very organized. I don't really have a super organized bead system yet, y'all, but I'm working on it. This is kind of my only area to work on my beads is this table, so I don't really have all these fancy drawers and everything yet. All I have is these little containers, which I'll show you in just a second. So these are all the beads I got from Temu, my Temu haul. Quite a bit of those. You put those back away. I have these, which is from my most recent haul. This is from my most recent Michaels haul with their 60% off sale. I have all of these. Cannot wait to use these. My favorite from these are these striped ones and these skulls. It's gonna be such a cool combination. Oh, I have these. I don't know why when I get new beads, I like to keep them in the bag. I don't know why. It's like my little organized chaos system. Like the newer beads, I keep them in the shopping bag. I don't know why I do that. I have these from the previous Michaels haul. A lot of those. I have all of these. Getting kind of tangled. Maybe I should just combine these with the other bag. I have so many bags. I have these. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Lots of beads. Okay, that's from the previous Michaels haul. Back. The bags are just falling. Oh my gosh, don't fall. I don't want to play a 1,000 bead pickup. I have these. I have these in the Hobby Lobby bag, but these are, oh yeah, never mind. This is a different one. I'm thinking about something else. It's the Temu ones that are in the Hobby Lobby bag, but it's really from Temu, the other bag. And I have these, oops. This is from my Hobby Lobby haul recently also. Like I said, you can tell my newer beads because I keep them all in the shopping bag when they're newer. These are from my other Hobby Lobby haul. I have all of these. Cute little elephants. I really hope this combo is going to look cute together, y'all. I'm so excited for this, but I don't know if it's going to look dumb or not. We'll find out. I'm kind of trying to go in for like a tribal look. We're about to find out. All right, that's from that. I can show you the ones that are in boxes now. I probably will make another video organizing all these. I think I will take these out of their respective bags and get them into proper storage containers. All right, so this box is my, I'm gonna move that. This first box is my seed bead container. I can have all my seed beads in here. Obviously this one is by itself because it already has a container, but these are all my seed beads. So I got these. These are like little mixes I made. I had leftovers. These are like the mixes. Little leftovers I have from previous mixes I made. Some my white seed beads. Just a whole lot, y'all. All seed beads. Oh, this is my bracelet. Oh, this is the one that started everything, actually, y'all. This bracelet is what started my whole bead journey, because I mentioned in one of my previous videos how I got into beading because I used to work at a senior facility. And there was this lady, she loved to make bracelets, and I started making bracelets with her. And it was so much fun, and that's when I went and did my first Hobby Lobby bead haul, y'all. Was because of her. So shout out to her. She really got me into this hobby, honestly. So you could thank this sweet old lady from my previous job. She was amazing, and I love her, and I miss her so much. So this is a bracelet that she made for me, or that we made together. She wanted to make me a bracelet, and I had to help her, tie the knot and everything. And as you can see, I forgot I hadn't made a bracelet in so long. This is how I tied the knot in my infinite wisdom. Like, don't even ask, y'all. I'm honestly embarrassed to tell you guys about how I forgot how to tie a bracelet knot because I hadn't made bracelets, y'all, since, I don't know, freaking teenager or something. I completely forgot how to do bracelets at all. So that's how I was doing it in the beginning, this monstrosity. So this is my first bracelet, y'all, that I made with her, and I've been meaning to restring it. That's why it's in here. I got to restring this, but shout out to her. She's awesome. She got me into this hobby. I'm just gonna leave that. Where can I put this so I don't forget to? I'll put it somewhere. I'll put it over there. I'll see it at some point. But anyway, here's my seed bead container. Looks like this one started leaking. Oh dear. I'll have to clean that up later. But yep, that's a seed bead box. Got a couple colors in here. Oh, these are the ones I need to put to reorganize. That's a seed bead box. Then we have, so this box, it's kind of organized chaos, y'all. This one is just like the chunky bead, the nicer bead box, I guess I'll call it, the nicer bead box. Has some plastic beads in here, and I have some stone beads. They're basically just my beads that I consider, I guess, higher quality beads. I'll put it that way. Because there are some stone ones in here. But I actually might make a separate box just for these, you know, semi-precious stone or, you know, stone beads, and so I can separate the plastics from the stones. I think I might do that because I did bring some extra containers over here. Start doing that. But yeah, I have these, just beads that I consider nicer, better than the, you know, other ones I'm about to show you. So I got these. There's a lot of beads hiding in here. These, some of those. We got in here these chunky stars, black shiny ones, chunky ones. Got these. So many, y'all, so many. What else is hiding down here? Let's see. Got those. It's a little bit of everything, y'all. If I pull out everything individually, we'll be here all day, so I'm not gonna do that. But you get the gist. You can kind of see. Dig in here with your eyes. You can kind of see. So that's that. Like I said, I consider those the nicer beads. You know what? I could put these in here. These are ones I had out, little stragglers. I could put these back in here. Leftovers from another bracelets I did. Leftovers from this. Some little white stones, and then these little brown beads. All right. This is the quote-unquote nice bead box, nicer bead box. And I have this one. These are just, I guess, just general plastic beads that are just, I don't know, I guess cheaper / just plain plastic beads, not, you know, not fancy beads, I'll say. I got these are pretty, these little shiny beads. This is from the Hobby Lobby bead box. Got those. These little pearl beads, my mom gave me these. It was so nice. She's like, do you want these? I'm like, hell yeah, I want them. Got little pearl beads. Got these. Got these sparkly pony beads. Got these little tiny clear beads. Chunky clear beads. Light and iridescent pony beads. Heart beads. White iridescent pony. These little hearts. I keep calling stars hearts. Stars. Chunky flowers. I love this bead mix. Oh, it's so pretty. Like little iridescent hearts, stars, and circles. I love this bead mix so much. Oh, more little tiny pearls. I need to put these in here, but are they the same size? I just put these together. Pretty close. Let's see. Shiny blue. Some more little circles. Silver and gold, that, and then hearts. Got a lot of stragglers in here. I gotta do some cleaning out, y'all, but not today. That's that. And those are all my beads, you guys. That's pretty much it. This final box is just where I have all my bracelets, my completed bracelets. I'll kind of give you a peek in there, because you guys have seen all these bracelets yet. I can't spoil this. These are ones you guys have not seen yet, but I can show you I can show you the box where I put them after I have shown you guys them. This is my bracelet storing box. All these bracelets you guys have seen, and all my previous bracelets I've made videos, you guys have seen all these. This is kind of where I store them. I kind of try to organize them a little bit, somewhat, and kind of have them in grouped by, you know, type best I can. I started using these. I need to get some more Ziploc baggies. Yeah, I have a lot, y'all. When I open that shop, man, there'll be no shortage of stock. I tell you that. Kind of tried to group these together, kind of rainbowy ones, chunky star ones. Little, see, these stitch bracelets? No. Oh yeah, there is. I see a little stitch in there. Set that kind of mix. These, y'all, everything's in here. My little puppy cats, everything. There's all the bracelets that I've made, all in here, waiting to be waiting to be put in my shop. So that is all the bins that I have. That is my entire collection. Hopefully one day I would love to have like a whole like, you know, shelving system so I can organize everything better. But for now, this is kind of how I organize everything. Everything just kind of is in its own little bin. And that's kind of how I do it, y'all. That is everything. That is my stash video. Somebody asked for one. I forgot who it was in particular. I'm sure if I see your username, I'll know it. But that is the bead stash video. Very quick one. Because I feel like if I tried to do that any more thoroughly, it would take forever. That'd be like a 40-long-minute video. We ain't doing that, y'all. So that is my bead stash. Hope you guys enjoyed looking through everything that I had. But that's all everything that I have right now. And like I said in my my very last haul video for a while, so I say, I've got to start doing some bracelet making videos. I have beads coming out of my ears, y'all. We gotta do some bracelet making videos. Gotta use up all these beads. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching my bead stash video. Bye.